Wow. Salut tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez tous très bien. Donc, ouais, je sais, ça fait hyper longtemps que j'ai pas posté de vidéo. At least, j'espère que cette vidéo sera publiée sur YouTube. Enfin, ouais. J'ai déjà filmé des thèmes de vidéos, mais c'est juste que elles étaient toutes ratées, donc je les ai pas publiées. Enfin bon, donc comme vous l'avez vu sur le titre, aujourd'hui je vais un peu me challenger et du coup je vais faire un make-up tutorial en anglais. Ouais, donc j'espère que cette vidéo va vous plaire et voilà, on peut commencer la vidéo. I'm going to... Aujourd'hui je vais commencer avec un primer de chez NYX. Celui-ci c'est Angel V. Okay. This is a Skin Perfecting Primer. Anyways, I'm going to apply this all over my face. I don't know if primers really works for me because I have such huge pores, which are my biggest insecurities, but other than that, it's fine. I don't really care. So I'm just applying that all over my skin. And by the way, feel free to correct me on the comment section if I'm making some mistakes. So I'm letting that set into my skin while I'm going to do my eyebrows. Yeah, I'm trying to improve, not improving. Ah! Child. I didn't épiler my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows with Micro Brow Pencil by NYX.
Oh my god.
This is in the shade Chocolate. This is way too brown for my eyebrows, but I don't care. It feels like this one looks thicker than this one, right? Now that our primer is set, I'm going to apply my foundation. Please guys, don't mind my beauty blender. It's not dirty. I swear, I just washed it. It's not dirty, okay? It isn't. So I'm gonna shake my foundation first and then apply this all over my skin. I'm going to apply my concealer, so I'm going to use this one. So this is the Sculpt and Highlight Face Duo, and I'm going to use this side to hide my under eye bags and to highlight that area as well. Now that we're done with that, I'm going to wet my beauty blender with this thermal spring water. So I'm going to do a cream contouring today. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Espresso. This is a really good shade. I'm just going to reblend my concealer just to make sure that there isn't any crease. I'm going to take this side of the beauty blender just to kind of blend the contouring of my concealer together. Okay, now I'm going to bake underneath my eyes. Vous aurez dû voir les sourcils de ma sœur, oh my god. Mais bon, anyways, I'm going to set my concealer. So I'm using the Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder by Rimmel London. Now I'm going to set my contouring and I'm gonna use a bronzer to set it. So the bronzer that I'm gonna be using is the NYC Big Bold Bronzing Powder. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna use this to set my contouring. So I'm gonna use a powder to remove the baking. So I'm gonna use this powder from L'Oreal and I'm in the shade Sun Beige. Okay, so now that we're done with that, I'm going to use blush. I'm going to apply a blush. Anyways, this is the blush that I'm gonna be using. This is from CoverGirl. Oh, it's the Deep Mauve. This is a really cute blush. You know, smile. Well, okay. Now I'm going to apply highlighter. That is my favorite part. I love highlighter so much. The highlighter that I'm gonna be using today is the Master Chrome by Maybelline. This is how it looks like. This is one of my favorite highlighter. Okay, I'm going to apply some on my shoulders here. Whoa, so pretty. I don't really like to apply eyeshadows on basic days, but here I'm just like, why not? And I'm gonna use my True Naked Roses by CoverGirl, and oh god, this is such a pretty palette. I love this palette so much. And I'm gonna use this purple one on my crease, right? I'm gonna use this rose gold shimmer color. This one right here. And apply that all over my lid. So, what do I have to do now? To set my makeup. So, to set my makeup, I'm gonna use this Dewy Finish setting spray. I'm going to apply my highlighter on my inner corner with a pencil brush. I'm using the same highlighter that I used before. Now I'm going to apply mascara. So for mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. I'm just going to apply a lipstick. So, I'm gonna use this nude one. So this is the NYX Lingerie in the shade French Maid. Well, I am done with my makeup. I hope that you guys appreciated this video. Et donc voilà, j'espère que cette vidéo vous aura plu. Oui, je sais pas si je publie cette vidéo ou pas, mais voilà. I had fun making it thanks to my sister. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, to like the video. Don't forget also to follow me on my social media. And yeah, that's a wrap. Ooh.